guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete Litmatch account. So if you want to delete your Litmatch account, follow these simple steps and you will be able to do it. So first of all, open the Litmatch application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you need to go to your profile section. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Under settings, scroll down and you will find account option right here. Tap on account. And now you will see three options here. In order to delete your account, tap on the last option, delete account. And here you will see all the information that you need to know before deleting your account. Like when you delete your account, your personal data will be deleted, your diamonds and VIP privileges will be deleted as well. So go through these points very carefully, and if you are sure, then tap on the circles besides those points. Then scroll down and tap on agree. Now it says here that the deactivation process may take 30 days to complete, and you also have an email ID here to contact the Litmatch during this process. So go through this once and then tap on confirm. And that's it. This is how you can delete your account on Litmatch. I hope you guys like this video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.